Hello, welcome to Libra, Philippines. So, reading po ito for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates ha, kasi hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, nakaka-resonate, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa tayo. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, okay? This is for Libra love reading. Okay. So, yun na lang din po ako subscribe na lang sa channel natin, pa-hit ng like button, pa-comment din dyan sa baba. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay po yun sa akin. Okay, so start na natin ang reading Libra. Meron ka ditong engagement ring. And the butterfly. Ito yung main energy mo. Yung pink yung kukunin natin sa side mo, ha. Pero, kung nararamdaman ko na doon ka sa kung nararamdaman mo na doon ka sa kabila, no? Or nagkapalit-palit yung roles, pwedeng mangyari yun. Kasi hindi man to personal reading. Bottom of the deck is seduction. Wedding rings is also here. So, you could be dealing with two people in your life. You do have your mirror at the bottom of the deck at saka seduction, wedding rings, and hand of cards. So, pwedeng ikaw ay dealing with two people or one of those person pwedeng, wearing sunglasses. Kasi yung sunglasses actually is someone na iba yung pinapakita niya. This person is stalking. This person is spying. This person is or may nararamdaman tayo na ganitong energy naman. Some of you, kung isa lang naman ang kakonect mo, maybe there's someone na, or yung kakonect mo, may kakonect itong iba pa, and then that person is spying on you, okay? Pwedeng yung isang person na pwedeng lumalabas as the third person or third party is spying on you. Okay? Pwedeng may marriage na involved dito with the wedding rings. And so, nakikita natin dito, you are actually the butterfly. You are shining. Alam mo yun, pag nakita ka ng butterfly, diba, all eyes nandun sa butterfly. For example, diba, there's a lot of flowers around, pero hindi ikaw yung flower, ikaw yung butterfly. So, you are focusing on your growth. You're focusing on, sharing kung ano yung mga i-share mo to make this world beautiful. Yung iba sa inyo, nagko-concentrate ka sa positivity. Nagko-concentrate ka sa pag-evolve mo sa sarili mo. And some of you, I don't know, maybe you are committed pagdating sa iyong work, sa career, or pagdating sa humanity for some of you. Ito yung energy na parang feeling mo sa kanila or feeling mo dito sa mga kakonect mo, hindi mo na sila kailangan. But rather, sila yung may kailangan sa'yo. Whether it's a friend or whether it's a karelasyon. Ayan. Pwedeng dito sa part na ito. Pwedeng alam mo sa sarili mo or inilalagay mo na lang sa isip mo na hindi ko naman sila kailangan. Silang may kailangan sa akin. Okay? You are actually focusing out, no? Sa mga taong hindi naman deserve ng attention or ng pagmamahal mo, or maybe it's just you na parang mas binavalue or pinahalagahan mo ngayon ang sarili mo. The mirror is also here, so this is you might be looking at yourself, analyzing kung ano yung mga dapat mabaguhin, ayusin, i-improve, and yeah, you're focusing on growth. Ngayon, focus tayo doon sa person na kakonect mo. Sino tong person na ito? Person na kakonect mo. May lumabas na card which is coffee cup. Self-indulgence is also here. Coffin is also here. Bottom of the deck is the photograph, soulmate, and axe. Maybe this is a friend. Yung iba hindi ito love related, but some of you pwede meron, and then there's, you know, this could be a friend. By the way, I just saw an animal. It's like leopard or or jaguar. Actually, hindi ko masyadong makita, pero alam mo naman yung parang itsurang lion, pero mga kalahi nun. Jaguar, leopard, cheetah, so it's like a wild cat. This could be a reading. Okay. I can see communication sa inyo na tong taong to. So, if you're dealing with someone na wala kayong communication, this is not your reading. The way I see this is that may communication, may connection. And then, yung person na ito, na-appreciate niya kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo or sinasabi mo sa kanya. This person, nakikita natin na unti-unti mong nababago yung mindset niya or yung paniniwala niya or yung I don't know, yung sarili niya, pwedeng nababago because of you. Part of you is helping this person na ma-realize or makita kung ano yung mga dapat niyang makita. And also, there's some kind of, you do have your acts, so might be may mga ending sa buhay ng taong ito. But, you know, this could be an ending na may kinalaman sa pwedeng may kinalaman din sa kung ano yung ini-end mo sa sarili mo, but some of you do have a girl with a snake, some of you connection with other people, so pwede may kakoneksyong ibang mga tao, and ito yung nagiging dahilan para mas mag-focus siya sa kanyang sarili. And this could be your soulmate, okay? Especially if you are Libra rising, you know, sa astrology kasi the Libra rising, yung Venus ng Libra rising is magta-transit siya sa 8th house, which is the house for meeting the soulmate. So some of you, this is a soulmate, and photograph is here. So this person wants more from you. Parang gusto niyang makilala ka pa, or gusto niyang makausap ka pa, gusto niyang malaman kung ano yung mga bagay na matututunan or malalaman niya pa sa'yo. I can see an eye, by the way. May nakita akong mata. This could be a reading. Maybe bukas yung third eye mo or something. Or maybe something to do with eye. Anyway, I'm also seeing cellphone na may mga stickers sa likod. So this could be a reading. What we have here for you, emotions mo towards this person. Okay, emotional for this person. You do have here the Paradise and Mask. Emotional for this person. Emotion naman niya sa'yo. I'll just get the cards na kailangan ko for this reading. Emotion naman niya para sa'yo. The snake is here and followed by the hammer. Okay. Yung iba hindi to love reading, guys, ha. Bahala ka na ilagay yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon. If this is love reading, maybe yung iba this is just partnership or some of you friendship. Pwede ganun. Anyway, the way I see this emotion mo towards this person is that you're happy. Masaya ka for what you have, what you are. The mask is here. Pwedeng part of you, pagdating sa world, you're not showing kung ano yung mga totoong emotions mo. Okay? Maybe you are showing to the world that you are happy, but deep inside you're not. You're feeling sad. Pwedeng ganun. And pwedeng kasi, if this is love-related, pwedeng naka-move on ka na. Maybe you know that this is your soulmate, gusto mo siya with the I like you, but, maybe tinatry mo na lang i-cut off or wag masyado mag-focus dun sa love na part, Maybe interesado ka sa taong to, but, maybe ginagamit mo na lang yung pagkagusto mo sa kanya to inspire yourself na maging mas better. Maybe, you're just allowing yourself na mapunta kung saan ka dapat dalhin or saan yung path mo, kumbaga. Focus tayo sa mask. I want to clarify this. What's with the mask? Please clarify the mask. May nakita nga palang kidlat. So, I don't know. Maybe may storm sa inyo. Or may kidlat. You do have your passion. So, yung mask, maybe whatever you're hiding, kasi yung mask kasi, this is someone hiding. And maybe this is your emotions that you are hiding. And pwedeng ang tinatago mo dito is a lot of love na nararamdaman mo para dito sa taong to. You do have your photograph. Yung iba sa inyo, kahit hindi mo sabihin, kitang-kita. Parang ganun. Or maybe, some of you, piling-pili lang yung mga tao na sinasabihan mo. You do have your ascending. So, act separation is here. So, pwedeng, although may communication, it's not enough. Or maybe you do have your talking, but part of you doon sa communication or sa connection niya, parang feeling mo wala na kasi ding chance. Pero, yun nga, because of that, nag-focus ka na sa sarili mo. You do have your self-indulgence. You're focusing on things na feeling mo hindi ka enough or kulang pa. Kailangan ayusin, kailangan pagandahin, ayusin. The snake is here, so mag-focus tayo sa side ng person. This person is, especially if you're dealing with someone na may marriage na involved, guys. Actually, tinitignan ko yung mga ilalim ng decks and halos nagme-mirror ito sa'yo. You could be dealing with your soulmate, your twin flame. Pero, pwedeng sa ngayon, nagfo-focus siya sa pagre-rebuild or pag-aayos ng connection with the third person. Okay? Kung siya ay may karelasyon, ganyan. So, pwedeng nagfo-focus siya sa dapat maayos yung relationship, dapat maging maganda yung relationship, and so on and so forth. Or, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng problem yung relationship nila ngayon. So, tinatry niya yung best niya na mapag-usapan ng maayos ito. Kaya lang ang problema kasi sa other person, may mga bagay siya or mga words siya na paulit-ulit, and that's the main problem. Kasi bakit kailangan pang ulit-ulitin na pag-usapan na, 'di ba? Halimbawa, napag-usapan na natin kanina, kahapon, ganun. So yung person na ito is, nararamdaman niya yung feeling na parang napaka-narcissist nung person na kakonect niya. And you do have here the golden mirror. Maybe it has something to do with you. You do have here the photograph. So, pwedeng, someone here is triggered, no? And that could be you. Ay, yung person niya, na pwedeng nati-trigger regarding this, acts, photograph. So, pwedeng gusto ng person niya is i-cut off ka or, there's this pagti-trigger. And you do have here love and kisses. Because unfortunately, ikaw ang nagiging dahilan para hindi siya maging okay or hindi maging okay yung relasyon nila. Parang, some of you na may pagsaselos. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra, Sun, rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. In the near future for Libra. Okay. You do have your cassette, heart with a key, date, golden mirror. Bottom of the deck is twin flame, so you could be dealing with the twin flame. Or your twin flame is coming, paparating. Kasi like what I've told you, the 8th house sa astrology is about spiritual connection. So, pwedeng paparating itong soulmate or twin flame mo in the future. Wow. You do have the sword and rose. Addiction is at about, addiction is also here. The golden mirror and stab in the back and girl with the snake. So, actually, ang focus kasi talaga ng person ito is regarding the third person na kakonect niya ngayon, the third party. And because there's this cassette energy, paulit-ulit, hindi na okay. Hindi na okay yung connection, yung relationship. The sword and rose, and this is showing to me as some kind of clarity para sa person mo. Na itong nagko-control sa akin or nagiging block is ayoko na. Dahil paulit-ulit cassette is here. Tinatry kong ayusin, rebuild, etc. But it's not working. So, this person talagang nai-stress siya, naiinis siya. The girl with the snake, this is the third person na involved sa inyo. Very narcissist with the golden mirror. Okay, very narcissist. And stab in the back is also here. So, this is causing a lot of heartbreak at saka inis para sa person na ito. Pagdating sa love, this is the kind of person na once na na-fall out of love siya, or pag ayaw niya na hanggat kaya niya pagtiisan, titiisan niya. But pag ayaw niya na. This is the energy of this person. And pwedeng maramdaman niya yon dito sa connection na ito with the other person. Yun yung concentration ng niya ng reading. Kumbaga parang siya nandoon sa isang person and they're not happy, they're having problems, they're nagkakaroon ng pagkakagulo, pag-uusap, tapos mamaya-maya away na naman, kagulo. And you do have your cassette. Okay? And the way I see this with the cassette, you are actually, I don't know, parang focusing on your strength in the near future. Okay? Nag-focus ka sa strength mo. And I can see a routine for some of you. May mga routine kang gagawain. Maybe health routine. No, something to do with your health. Or maybe may kinalaman sa skin. I can see a skin right now. Maybe skin, you will use some kind of stuff or things na makakatulong sa'yo to make you more flawless or radiant. You know, may mga nakikita tayong ganun. Focusing on yourself. The golden mirror is here. So, for some of you, I can see, if you're single, I can see dating. Pero be careful sa mga dinedate mo, kilatisin mo mabuti. I can see someone here who would date you. Pwedeng may mga narcissist siyang ugali. Okay, medyo narcissist itong person na ito. And, narcissist, pero, I don't know, mga na-attract mo kasing tao, maybe in the past, alam mo yan, mga narcissist talaga yung mga taong na-attract mo. And, hindi mo rin alam kung ba't ganun, but, some of you, mabait ka kasi masyado. So, it's like, madali kang i-approach or madali kang lapitan ng mga ganitong klaseng tao kasi masyado kang mabait. But, some of you, I can see a twin flame or soulmate coming in here in your life. Lalo na kung nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo or continuous yung pag-focus mo sa sarili mo with the golden mirror. This is you focusing on yourself. Okay? And because of this, pwedeng there's a soulmate na paparating sa'yo. The soulmate is coming from the past. No? A past person. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tara Madam PTV. Virgo Philippines. Ayan. Libra Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching and bye.